Hello, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fantastic, right? And in our last class, we read or understood phrases and sentences. Okay, but that means we could identify what is sentence and what is phrases. Okay, but we didn't read the types of phrases. Today we are going to learn only two types of phrases, that is, first is noun phrase and second one is prepositional phrase. Okay, it is so easy. Listen it very carefully and try to understand what I am actually going to make you understand. Okay, so ready? Give your 100% to understand grammar, because this is most important thing in your language, right? You should learn grammar to develop your language, to build a correct sentences or present yourself the proper way, right? So grammar is must in language. So we don't have another grammar book. Whatever given in our book, that we are learning, but it's enough for us, right? Open page number 59 in your textbook. Why I am just explaining from the book itself, because it has given the simplest way to understand. I found so many books, but that is not enough for you. That is quite high level for you, and you will be confused with that book. So let us understand. So I'll give you more example, that not to be worried. So shall we start? Yes, let's begin. Let us read these two sentences given or brought from your book itself. Okay. I think the yellow hen wants to lay eggs. So who had spoken this line? Yes, Mrs. Fogg, right? Let us read the second one. He nearly fell asleep when the neighbor's cat started fighting loudly. Who is here? He, Mr. Fogg. So we read two sentences, and let us focus on the colored one. The yellow hen, the neighbor's cats. Okay, now we'll understand why we have underlined these words and what is the purpose of it. So let us understand first what is noun phrase. So before going to start explaining the noun phrase, can you tell me what is a noun? Yes, you have already learned, right, in third class. Noun is naming words. It can be name of a person, place, things, and animals. Okay, noun is a naming word. It can be name of a person, place, things, and animals. Okay, we understand. So noun mean naming word. So what is noun phrase? क्या हो सकता है? जैसे हमने पढ़े in the last class, what is phrase? A group of word that make some sense but not complete meaningful statement, right? So noun phrase is that type of phrase that it has noun in it. It has noun in it, and it is also not complete statement, that we know, because phrases are just incomplete or give some sense only. Let us read. The groups of words in colored are noun phrase. So these are this colored one. Okay, these are noun phrase. Okay, see, if you divide it like this, I think, if you skip this word, okay, I think wants to lay eggs. Do you understand anything? Nah. What you think? What is going to, what is the things going to lay egg? You don't understand anything, right? Let us divide this also. Fine. He nearly fell asleep when started fighting loudly. कौन फाइट कर रहा था? कौन एग देने वाले थे? पता चला? नहीं चलता. If you don't put noun phrase here, you will not get meaningful sentence, right? Fine. But let us understand more in it. A noun phrase plays the part of a noun and can be replaced by a pronoun. तो noun phrase क्या होता है कि एक part of noun होता है, part of noun होता है और noun के बदले हम pronoun भी use कर सकते हैं. What is pronoun? See, for example, my name is Devi, right? So देवी के बदले क्या यूज कर सकते हो? She. You can use my teacher also. My teacher के बदले भी क्या लगा सकते हो? He or she, right? She. So noun के बदले जो यूज होने वाले word, that is known as pronoun. Okay. Suppose Rahul, he or she? He, right? Suppose Rahul, Shyam and Geeta, he, she और they? They. हम यूज करेंगे they उसमें, है ना? और अगर उसमें मैं भी शामिल हूँ तो वी हो जाएगा. सो नाउन के बदले जो वर्ड यूज करते हैं दैट इज नोन एज प्रोनाउन. ओके. तो सो व्हाट इज द सेंटेंस सेइंग? अ नाउन फ्रेज प्लेज द पार्ट ऑफ अ नाउन एंड इट कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय अ प्रोनाउन. प्रोनाउन भी हो सकता है रिप्लेस करके, राइट? इन द सेंटेंसेस वी कैन यूज इट टू रिप्लेस द येलो hen and they, to replace the neighbor's cat. See, the yellow hen and they, मैं बोल रही थी ना, उसके बदले जो यूज होता है to replace, sorry, I read wrong, I forgot. We can replace eat for hen एंड नेवर्स कैट फॉर दे. क्योंकि नेवर कैट से प्लूरल है तो दे यूज कर लिए. हैन तो सिंगुलर है ना, एनिमल है, तो उनके बदले हमने ईट यूज कर लिए. तो नाउन के बदले हम कोई भी प्रोनाउन यूज कर सकते हैं. फाइन. सो नाउन फ्रेजेस आंसर द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ व्हाट और होम. अगर तुम नाउन फ्रेज को, अगर तुम सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन पूछोगे व्हाट एंड हु एंड यू गेट द आंसर, दैट आंसर वुड बी योर नाउन फ्रेज. हाउ? लेट अस सी. आई थिंक द येलो hen wants to lay eggs. What wants to lay eggs? क्या देना चाह रहा? द येलो hen. Yellow hen, we got the answer. Who started fighting loudly? The neighbor's cat. Okay, fine. We got the answer of what and whom. When you ask question like this, what and whom, and you get the answer, that is your noun phrase. लेकिन noun phrase में noun होना जरूरी है. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में नाउन क्या है? येलो तो नाउन हो नहीं सकता. सो नाउन क्या है? हैन है. नेवर्स कैट, तो यहाँ पे क्या है? कैट हो गया ना नाउन. नेवर्स तो एक्स्ट्रा है. ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड द मेन नाउन इन द सेंटेंस. हियर आर सम अदर एग्जांपल्स. दैट स्वीट लिटिल बॉय इज माय ब्रदर. Who is your brother? We ask question using who. Who is your brother? That sweet little boy. Answer we got. So that sweet little boy is your noun phrase. Some of Kapil's friends are vegetarian. Who all are vegetarians? Some of Kapil's friends. You got the answer of who? That means it is your noun phrase. Let us practice little more. I am not satisfied with these examples. Let us practice. Yes, these are few examples from other book that I am going to show you. We will practice. He wanted to learn Sanskrit. What did he want? What did he want? We ask question with what? What did he want? To learn Sanskrit. So it is your noun phrase. I like to sing. What do you like? I like to sing. To sing is your answer. You got the answer to sing. That means it is your noun phrase. Okay. See, Sanskrit is noun, right? But not always you find the noun always. It's okay. Fine. His hobby is making sketches. His hobby is making sketches. What is his hobby? We ask question with what? What is his hobby? Making sketches. Making is your, present participle, and sketches is your noun. So we ask question by using what? What is his hobby? We got answer making sketches. Okay, let us practice here, because here already given in bold letters, so we can understand, but here not given any bold letter or something, so we can practice more here. She hopes to win the prize, first prize. What does she hope? To win the first prize. So this is your to win, leave it, but that first prize is your noun. So this is your noun phrase. Okay. To confess one's guilt is difficult. What is so difficult? We ask question with what? What is so difficult? To confess one's guilt. So this whole phrase is your noun phrase. I saw the big crowd. What did you see? What? We use again what? What did you see? The big crowd. That is your noun phrase. Can you read the printed matter? So now find out what is the noun phrase. It I am showing you very closely. Try to find out. If you will be luckiest one, your answer would be correct. Find out. Can you read the printed one? What can you read? Ask question. What can you read? The printed one is your noun phrase, because this is question word phrase. Okay, and this is another phrase. Can you read? That is a question phrase. And what can you read? The printed matter. That is your answer, and that's why it is noun phrase. Okay. I write in English and Odia. Now you tell me, where is the noun phrase? Yes, English and Odia, that is noun phrase here you found. Correct? I hope most of the children understood it. Okay. Let us try to solve page number 59. Answer already written. It's okay, but we will practice, and you can write answer by yourself goodly in your textbook. Okay, fine. First one already done for you. Let us read the question first. Complete these sentences using the correct phrases from the box. So let us read the phrases first. A good game of cricket. The adventure story. A large audience. The big bad wolf. A loud clap of thunder. A yellow and black taxi. Okay, so already given a large audience, so we will cancel it because it is already there in answer. Let us start from second one. She got into dash, forget this answer. Okay, which would take her home. So what is the object that take your home? Yes, of course, taxi. A yellow and black taxi. Okay, she got into what? A yellow and black taxi. Okay, and then also you can, what would take her home? A yellow black taxi. Arun and his friends enjoy what? Find out. Yes, a game, so a good game of cricket. What do Arun and friends enjoy? They enjoy a good game of cricket. I felt scared when I heard. What did you hear? What did you hear? The answer. Let us see. Answer is a loud clap of thunder. That is the answer, na? You ask question with what or who, and the answer you will find, that is your noun phrase. Okay. Fifth one. Did you enjoy reading? Dash I gave you. What? What did you enjoy reading? Answer is the adventure story. Sixth one. Dash followed Little Red Riding Hood. What did follow the Little Red Riding Hood? Sorry, Little Red Riding Hood. So the answer would be the big bad wolf. So ऐसे जब हम what और who से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे और जो आंसर हमें मिलेगा, that answer is known as your noun phrase. Remember, when you ask question with what and who, that answer would be your noun clause. Okay. Now I'll send you some tasks. With that you will solve it. For today, I think it is enough to understand. Bye.